Okay, hello everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Good morning, all. Okay. Okay, so in the last lecture, we had discussed this concept, I think. Okay, spanning tree, and we had discussed one of its example. Okay, and the remaining part, I think, are pending. Clear. So let's revise this definition again. It is a concept of tree, clear, and we have one graph, and then after we convert this graph into the tree. Okay, tree means a connected graph without any circuit. Clear? That is known as a tree. Tree is a connected graph without any circuit. Clear? So we have one graph which includes some circuit, okay, some closed walk. So you have to remove this by deletion of edges. Okay, we'll keep all the vertex as it is, and as a resultant, we'll get one graph. Okay, which all the vertex included, and there is no any cycle. Okay, no any circuit will be mapped between any two vertex. Clear? So that is meaning of spanning tree. Clear? This answer, okay, resultant graph is known as a spanning tree. So that is definition is given here. A tree is said to be spanning tree of connected graph G if T is a subgraph of G and T contain all the vertex of the G. Okay, it is noted that spanning tree is defined only for connected graph. We cannot create a spanning tree for disconnected graph because tree is always a connected graph. Okay, that is the conditions for tree. And tree is always connected graph, and we cannot get spanning tree for disconnected graph. Graph may have many spanning tree. Clear? That is not always a unique answer. We will get a multiple graph, okay, as a spanning tree of given graph. Clear? That we'll discuss. Here one of the graph is given that uh, as we know that this graph contain circuit. Clear? There is some closed walk is defined to this graph G. Okay, as you can see it here, we can easily create such closed walk by using this three vertex. Clear? Uh, yeah, that is this vertex, this, and this. We can easily create a closed walk. Clear? So that contains circuit. Clear? We can easily create closed walk by using this four vertex. Clear? We can easily create closed walk by using this vertex. Clear? Means it create a circuit. So now you have to remove this circuit. ठीक है, इस सर्किट को आपको रिमूव करना है. ठीक है, you have to remove from this graph G and will derive one of the tree. ठीक है, इस ग्राफ में से आपको एक ट्री बनाना है which should be connected and there is no any cycle should be there, okay, between any two vertex. Okay, so here to create this graph I have uh, remove this closed walk. So how we can remove this closed walk? To remove one of the edge from this closed walk. So that closed walk will convert to the open walk. Okay, उसमें से एक एज आपको डिलीट करनी है. ठीक है, रिमूव करनी है टू make this closed walk as a open. Okay, so here this triangle is here, okay, between these three vertex. So remove one of the edge from this one. Okay, remove the one of the edge from this one, and that will now the open. Clear? So here I remove this edge in this graph T. Okay, all the vertex are as it is here, and then after make the connection such a way that you have to remove such closed walk. Okay, from the main graph. So I remove these edges from this main graph. Then after I remove these edges from this graph. Okay, and I have removed these edges from this graph T. And now this is a new graph that is a subgraph of main graph. Okay, it is subgraph of G because it is a part of the graph G. Okay, and it includes all the vertex of the graph G, and it is satisfy the definition of tree. It is connected graph and there is no any cycle is exists between any two vertex. So therefore this graph T is known as a spanning tree. Okay, it is called the spanning tree. And you can derive another graph in place of that. Clear? You can draw another graph in place of that. You just change the possibility of edges. Okay, यहाँ पे आपने edge delete किया. Now consider this edge as it is here. Okay, consider this as it is here and remove this edges from this graph. ये edge आप delete कर दो यहाँ से, ठीक है? And you will get another graph in place of that. So you will find many graph as a spanning tree of any given graph. Okay, that depends on as per the number of edges. For example, if you consider one of the simple graph, ये आपके पास एक simple graph है with include 4 vertex and 4 edges. इसमें से आपको स्पानिंग ट्री बनानी है. We can create 4 different spanning tree. ठीक है, आप 4 अलग अलग स्पानिंग ट्री बना सकते हो. आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ एक एज रिमूव करनी होगी क्योंकि एक ही साइकिल बन रही है उसमें. ठीक है, सो लेट्स डिलीट वन ऑफ द एजेस एंड दैट इज वन आंसर ऑफ स्पानिंग ट्री. ये एक स्पानिंग ट्री हुई. ठीक है, ऑफ दिस 4 वर्टेक्स विद 4 एजेस ग्राफ. इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट आई कैन क्रिएट दिस स्पानिंग ट्री आल्सो. ये भी स्पानिंग ट्री आप कंसीडर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आई रिमूव दिस बिलो एजेस. Clear? Otherwise, in place of that, you can consider this spanning tree. That is also one spanning tree of this graph. Clear? Otherwise, the fourth case. Clear? So these are the all 4 answer of this graph, and you can also create this different spanning tree of this graph also. Clear? So now here, next concept is that yes. Properties, it is one of the connected graph without any cycle. Now this graph is connected graph with cycle, and that is a connected graph without cycle. Therefore, we can say it is a tree, and you have to derive this graph from this given graph, from any given graph, and therefore it is known as a spanning tree. Clear? If you have to create a tree by using 10 vertex, then you can create any such shape. Clear? Now we have one fixed shape which is given here. Okay, with 7 vertex and number of edges, and now you have to make this graph as a tree. Clear? You have to remove such close walk from this graph. These are the close walk. You can see it here. We can create close walk by using this 3 vertex. We can create close walk by using this 4 vertex. Same here. We can create close walk by using this pentagon. So now you have to remove this close walk. Okay, आपको close walk को remove करना है. ठीक है, and that we consider it here. Clear? Yes. No, it is spanning tree का मतलब क्या है कि आपके पास कोई ग्राफ है, ठीक है, उसमें उसको ट्री में कन्वर्ट करना. That procedure is known as a spanning tree. ठीक है, spanning tree means it is one of the graph that you have to derive from one given graph. That graph is called spanning tree. And binary तो हम create करते हैं. ठीक है, बाइनरी ट्री तो आप क्रिएट कर दो, दैट इज कॉल्ड बाइनरी. स्पैनिंग ट्री मींस आप कोई एक सिचुएशन में से उसको ट्री में कन्वर्ट करते हो. दैट स्पेशल ग्राफ इज कॉल्ड स्पैनिंग ट्री. ओके, दैट इज अ ट्री आल्सो. ओके, यू कैन से इट इज अ ट्री, बट व्हाई इट इज स्पैनिंग ट्री? बिकॉज़ आप इस ग्राफ में से ये डिजाइन बनाते हो. ठीक है, ट्री वाला शेप आप क्रिएट करते हो, देयरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड स्पैनिंग ट्री. द प्रोसीजर टू कन्वर्ट दिस closed walk situations to the open walk, that is known as a spanning tree. Okay, that is one of the procedure, okay, to derive this graph, and that graph now called a spanning tree. Okay, is it okay? Okay, so here we check that we have to delete 3 edges. Okay, इसमें से आपको पता चल गया कि आपको एटलीस्ट 3 एज डिलीट करनी होगी to make this graph as a tree. Clear? So now if we have one of the large number of vertex situation, okay, with number of edges, so how we can check that how many edges I have to remove? Okay, for example, if we have one of the complex graph, okay, which include lots of connections in between vertices, so how we can check that how many edges you have to remove? ठीक है, आपको एटलीस्ट कितनी एज रिमूव करनी होगी टू मेक दिस ग्राफ एज अ ट्री. Yes, so that formula is known as a circuit rank of the graph. Okay, and it is simple to check the answer also. The formula is that let G be the connected graph with n vertex and m edges. N is the number of vertex quantity and m is the number of edge quantity. N and m. And therefore, the number of edges you need to delete from the graph G to make a spanning tree. Okay, to make a tree, that is equal to m minus n plus 1. Okay, you need a total number of edges, total number of vertex, and then after find out the answer of m minus n plus 1, and that gives one value, numerical value. And what is meaning of this numerical value? You have to delete this value, you have to delete this number of edges from this graph to make the graph as a tree. Okay, let's verify this formula for this graph. Here in this given graph, it's now simple and we can easily calculate vertex and edges. Okay, how many vertices are there? 7 vertex and 9 edges. Clear? You can check the number of vertex. 7 vertex are defined in this graph G. Okay, and 9 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we know that we have to delete 3 edges to make the graph as a tree. But let's verify this answer by using this formula. So here we get 9 minus 7 plus 1, m minus n plus 1. Okay, so 9 is the number of edges, 7 is the vertex. So 9 minus 7 plus 1, and that you will get a 3. Means you have to delete 3 edges. You have to delete 3 edges to make this graph as a tree. Clear? You have to delete only 3 edges. You cannot consider in place of 3 a 4 answer. You cannot consider in place of 3 as a 2 answer. Clear? If you consider 2 edges in place of 3, then graph still includes one of the closed walk. If you consider 4 edges in place of 3, then graph will become disconnected. ठीक है, इस ग्राफ में से आप एक फोर्थ नंबर की एज डिलीट कर दो, ठीक है, then graph will become disconnected. ठीक है, सपोज ये आपने डिलीट कर दिया यहाँ से, then A will be disconnected to rest of part, then it is not a tree. Clear? So you delete only 3 edges, only the circuit rank answer to make this graph as a tree. Clear? We cannot consider our own answer in place of that. That is one of the fixed quantity, okay, for any graph. And you will delete this number of edges to make the graph as a tree. Is it clear? The formula of circuit rank clear? We'll check it in some remaining example. Yes. Yes. Any shape you have, okay? You can convert to the tree. सिर्फ आपको edge delete करनी है. Number of vertex as it is there, okay? Edge delete करनी है, and you can make this graph as a tree. कोई भी graph, you can easily make it. Let us first discuss this example, and then after we'll check this last example. Here one of another graph is that, और इसको आपको एक tree में convert करना है, ठीक है? That is include such close walk between vertex. Clear? Now you have to make this graph as a tree. ठीक है? That is one of the complex situation. Clear? So let's first check its circuit rank. How many edges you have to delete to make this graph as a tree? मुझे at least कितनी edge delete करनी होगी to make this close walk situation as an open walk, where all the vertex stay as it is there. Okay, all the vertex stay as it is. सभी vertex as it is रहेंगे, but I have to remove such edges to make this graph as a tree. ठीक है, सभी vertex connected होने चाहिए, सभी vertex as it is होने चाहिए. ठीक है, you cannot delete any vertex. Clear? You cannot modify, you cannot delete any such vertex. All the vertex you have to keep as it is. And now just focus on the edges. How many edges you have to delete? कौन सी edge delete करनी होगी to make such graph as a tree? Clear? So let's first check the answer of circuit rank. How many vertices are there? 7 vertex. Clear? N is equal to 7. M is equal to how many edges? That is 13. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are in the boundary. Okay. Now inside, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, 13 are the edge. Okay, that is one is missing. Yeah, that is this 14 is the edges. Okay, so 14 m minus n plus 1. 14 minus 7 plus 1. That is equal to, what is answer of 14 minus 7 plus 1? 8. So delete 8 edges. Is it correct? 14 number of edges are 14 here. That's verified because yeah, that is missing. Now it is 14. Okay, so let's create this graph. यहाँ पे सब वर्टेक्स आपको एज इट इज प्लेस करने हैं, ठीक है, जो भी ग्राफ में डिफाइंड है इस तरह से आपको प्लॉट कर दो सभी को, ठीक है. दिस आर द 7 वर्टेक्स. अब इसमें से आपको एक ट्री बनाना है, ठीक है. As you know what is meaning of tree, all the vertex should be connected. ठीक है, सभी को कनेक्ट करना है, वैसे कनेक्ट करना है कि जिसमें कोई भी दो वर्टेक्स के बीच में क्लोज वॉक डिफाइन ना हो। ठीक है, सो वन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इज जस्ट कनेक्ट ऑल द बाउंड्री वर्टेक्स। ठीक है, रिमूव ऑल द इनसाइड एजेस, remove all the inside edges and just connect the boundary, and remove one edges from the boundary also. ठीक है, how many edges I have considered? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and 8 you have to remove. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. ठीक है, I consider 6 edges in this graph, 8 I have removed. ठीक है, 8 I have removed, so 8 plus 6 is 14 is the verified match. Okay, they are matching. So that is one of the answer. That is a tree. Okay, all the vertex are connected and it has no any cycle. आप कोई भी एक साइकिल बना नहीं सकते. ठीक है, it is still open. And in place of that, you can create another graph. Okay, suppose का आपको दूसरा ग्राफ बनाना है, then you can consider this graph. Okay, let's remove this one, and I will consider this edge to connect it. Let's use the inside all the edges. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, that is another solution. That is also the tree. Clear? It is all the vertex are connected and it has no any cycle. Clear? So we have multiple solutions of spanning tree. Clear? Just change the edges post connectivity and you will get another graph in place of that. आपका aim क्या है? You have to remove the closed walk. ठीक है? Closed walk जितनी भी ग्राफ में बन रही है उसको रिमूव करना, और रिजल्टेंट ग्राफ में कोई भी क्लोज वॉक बननी नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, and you just verify the total also, how many edges I have considered in this graph and how many I have to remove, and then take it total. It should be the total number of edges. Okay, so that is spanning tree evaluation. Clear? Let's consider another graph. It is simple. Okay, you can easily say that how many edges I have to delete without checking circuit rank. 2. Okay, because 2 circuit are created. Clear? 2 closed walk you can create from this one. Okay, so you just delete 2 edges. 2 edge को ही आपको delete करना है. ठीक है, and from the circuit rank you will also get answer 2. Okay, it is not I have mentioned a random. From circuit rank you will also get the same answer. So I delete these 2 edges and that is a spanning tree. Clear? From circuit rank you will also get same answer. Okay, that is 6 vertices are there and 6 edges. Sorry, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, 7 edge है, 6 vertex है, so it is 2. कोई भी 2 edge आप निकाल दो. Okay, so resultant graph should be connected and it should have no any cycle. Okay, that is another one. Then after that is a K phi graph. Okay, in K phi graph we can easily predict such tree. Just remove all the inside edge. Okay, and one of the edge from the boundary. That is a tree for K5. Clear? You can also check circuit rank. That is a 10 edge included in this K5. Okay, 10 edge है K5 में. So 10 minus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Clear? And I have considered 4 edges and 6 आपको remove करने, 4 consider करने. Any 4, कोई भी 4 आप ले सकते हो. ठीक है? ये साइड डिजाइन बनाना जरूरी नहीं. You can consider inside edge, outside any edge you can remove it to get a spanning tree. Okay, so you will get multiple solution of spanning tree. Okay, you will get multiple solution of the spanning tree. There are 2 more graphs is given here. Okay, so what will be the answer? Here I will remove this edges. Okay, how many edges I have to remove? Let's draw it here so you get exact idea. Okay, that is answer circuit rank will be 4 plus 1, 5 vertex. Edges is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 2, is equal to 3. Okay. So let's create it graph. 3 एज आपको निकालनी, ठीक है, because it create a 3 circuit. You can consider this graph. Okay, I will delete this edge, that edge, and this edge. Okay, from this graph. Is it clear? And that is for your practice. That is the last one. Okay, just check it. Which edge you have to consider. Clear? First check circuit rank, and then after you just draw it again. So I will consider this edge. Okay. Then after this one, this edge. Okay, in place of that, if I consider this graph, okay, अगर ये graph में लेता हूँ, so this is a disconnected tree. Okay, that is not solution. That is a disconnected. Clear? This two part of the graph you have to derive. That is not a spanning tree. The resultant graph should be connected. ठीक है, वो connect होना चाहिए. So to verify the definition of tree there, tree is a connected graph without any cycle. So this is not answer. So to modify it, clear, and just remove these edges. Connect this one. Okay, that is your answer. And you can also modify this graph. Okay, आप इसको modify भी कर सकते हो. Another answer. And this too is for your homework. Okay, that is Peterson graph is here. Okay, that is a Peterson graph design, and that is one of the arbitrary situation. Okay, and that you can see it here. Lots of crosswalk you can create from this both graph. Okay, so you just manage all the edges in such a way that you have to create one of the tree from the Peterson graph. ठीक है, Peterson graph में से आपको एक ऐसी tree बनानी है. Clear? So all the vertex should be connected and it should have no any circuit. Is it answer? It contain close walk or not? Is it contain close walk? I consider this solution. Okay, that is 5 and plus 5. 10 vertices are there. Okay, and just remove such close walk. अगर यहाँ पे आप edge बना देते हो, तो it create one of the close walk by using this vertex. ठीक है? So just keep these edges and connect in such a way that it should be an open walk. Okay, create one of the open walk. And you can find another possibility for this graph. Okay, so this is called the spanning tree. Clear? And now one graph is that we have one formula in the complete graph. How many possible spanning tree you can create in complete graph? Okay, because complete graph is one of the spatial graph we have. K2, K3, K4, K5, which includes some fixed degree here in K4, K5, K6, and so on. So we have one of its formula to check how many spanning tree you can create in complete graph. Okay, so here it is. One of the graph is that K4. Okay, that is graph K4 is given here, and you can see its circuit rank. There are 6 edges and 4 vertex. So 6 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is your circuit rank. Means you have to delete 3 edges to make this graph as a tree. Okay, to make the K4 as a tree. So these are the possible spanning tree of the K4. I consider 4 here, and that are all the spanning tree of the K4. Okay, total 16 spanning tree you can create in the K4 graph. It has a 3 is a circuit ring. Okay, so first consider this type of set. Remove the cross two edges and one off from the side. Okay, one off from the boundary. So this set you will get. Okay, now change this boundary edges. You will get another set, then after third one and fourth one. Clear? Now keep this cross edges inside as it is. Okay, and remove the three boundary edges. Clear? Remove the three edges of the boundary. You will get this type of set. That is all are the spanning tree. Okay. Then after in third case you will get this type of set. Okay. And then after you will get this type of set as a 16 various spanning. Clear? So for that we have one formula, and you can use this formula to check how many spanning tree we can create in complete graph. Okay. The formula is that the number of spanning tree in Kn. Kn means complete graph. Okay, that is equal to n raised to n minus 2. N means number of vertex. Okay, n is equal to the number of vertex now here we have 4 vertices. Okay, so 4 raised to 4 minus 2. What is the answer? 16. You can create 16 different spanning tree of the K4. If you have k is equal to k5, okay, n is equal to 5, then you can create 5 raised to 5 minus 2. Means a 5 cube spanning tree you can create in k5. So that question is asked for a 1 mark short question, otherwise 1 mark MCQ. How many spanning tree you can derive, you can find in k9 graph, okay, in k11 graph, in k20 graph. So in that you do not draw all the spanning tree to verify your answer. You can use this formula to check it. Okay, n raised to n minus 2. Is it clear? The concept of spanning tree. Any doubt? All of you are clear this topic? Is there any confusion? Okay. Now next topic is minimum weighted spanning tree. Minimum weightage of spanning tree. Okay. So in that we'll derive a spanning tree of any graph. Okay, that is the same. Clear? We have one connected graph there, and then after we'll apply a procedure to derive the spanning tree. Means we'll check a circuit triangle. Okay, and then after we'll check which edges you would consider or not. Okay, and you have to remove the closed loop. The spanning tree definition is as it is here. Plus we add one more conditions to check this minimum weighted spanning tree or not. So for that in this graph, okay, graph में एज का वेट दिया होगा. Weight means what is meaning of weight of the edges? So for example, if you consider there are 5 places, okay, and the distance between 5 places are mentioned, okay, to each other. 1 to 4 place का distance है 5 kilometer, second to third का distance है 2 kilometer. So this distance is known as the weight of this route. Okay, weight of these two places, weight of this network. Clear? Distance between any two places, that is called the weight of this connection. Clear? So this weight will be mentioned in this graph. Okay, weight of this edge is a 2, weight of this edge is a 5, and you can consider this weight means the distance between these two vertex. Clear? To any places. So this weight will be given there. So now you have to consider which edges from this main graph. So we consider such edges from this main graph whose weight is minimum. Okay, we involve such edges to the tree whose weight is minimum. Okay, and we'll create one of the tree from this given graph. Clear? We'll derive one of the tree from this given graph by using such edge whose weight is minimum. ऐसी आप edge आपको use करनी है ग्राफ में से कि जिसका weight minimum हो, वहां से आपको start करना है. ठीक है? And then after use the sequence of the weightage. Okay, check that which is the next minimum, then after next one, and so on. And then after create one of the tree. Clear? And in such tree, which edges will included whose weight is minimum. Okay? So when we find the total weight of all such edges, it will be minimum. Okay? अब उसका टोटल करो तो मिनिमम ही होगा, क्योंकि हमने ऐसी एज यूज की है उसमें जिसका वेट मिनिमम. Now find the total of all the age, all the weight of the age. That also will be minimum. Okay, so that is our aim in minimum weighted spanning tree. Clear? In the simple spanning tree, in ordinary spanning tree, we consider any age to create a graph. Okay, in K4 we have 16 various spanning tree. Clear? We consider any age to connect it. But here we'll consider such specific age whose weight is minimum. Okay? So definition is that a tree is said to be the minimum weighted spanning tree of graph G if T is a subgraph of connected graph G and with connect all the vertex together without any cycle. And now second part that you have to add to say it is minimum weighted spanning tree. Okay, up to this it is spanning tree. Okay, up to this definition, up to this point it is definition of spanning tree. Okay, and now we add one more line. It is a minimum possible total age weight. आपको ऐसी एज यूज करनी है जिसका वेट मिनिमम हो, ठीक है, कंपैरिजन टू अदर. So that is it is a spanning tree whose sum of the age weight is as small as possible, and then T is known as a minimum weighted spanning tree. Let us consider one of the example. This example is given here, and as you can see it here, that is 4 plus 3, 7 vertex are there, and this 17, 5, 12, 8, 11, and so on. This is known as a weight of this two. Weight of this age, okay, and that is a connection between these two vertex, means you can consider as a distance between these two vertex. Okay, that is 17, distance between these two vertex is a 5, these two vertex is 13, and so on. Means you have to just observe one of the real map. Okay, and there are 7 different places we have, and then after find the distance between each places. Okay, and then consider as one of the graph. So this graph we have. Okay, and now you have to consider one of the spanning tree of this graph whose weight, you consider such ages whose weight is minimum. Okay, so let's create a spanning tree. You can draw another graph here. Okay, the answer is already mentioned here, but let's verify it. Which step you have to follow to get this answer. Okay, so these are the ages located in this graph. नाउ ऑब्जर्व ऑल द एजेस, ठीक है, सभी एज को आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है, ठीक है, एंड ऑब्जर्व ऑल द वेट, सभी को आपको चेक करना है, एंड आइडेंटिफाई मिनिमम एज वेट. ऐसी एज फाइंड करो उसमें जिसका वेट मिनिमम हो. सो मिनिमम इज हियर 4, ठीक है, मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या है, दैट इज 4 हियर अमंग दिस ऑल. 4 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है, ग्राफ का वेट. सो फर्स्ट कनेक्ट दिस टू वर्टेक्स, means use this age to your spanning tree. Okay, 4 we have included. Now another 4 is if we have, then after use it. Okay, suppose के दूसरी age का भी weight 4 है, ठीक है, for example in place of 30, यहाँ पे 30 की जगह 4 है, तो also connect this to vertex. Clear? Right now 4 is not there, only one time 4 is there, so use it now. After 4 which weight is minimum? After 4 कौन सा number आएगा? That is a 5. Okay, so connect the 5. Okay, means use this age and connect this particular two vertex. That is weight is a 5. Okay, after 5 what is the next weight? That is a 6. Clear? So connect these two vertex whose weight is 6. So it has a 6 weight. Okay, still my graph is a disconnected. Okay, means I have to add some more ages. And you have to also verify when you connect any age, it should not have any close walk. उसमें कोई भी close walk बननी नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है. So 6 I have include. After 6 which weight is minimum? That is a 8. Okay, 7 is not there in any place. 8 की दो age है, so first let us connect this one. And still my graph has no any cycle. Okay, अभी तक graph में कोई भी cycle बन नहीं रही. Again I will use this one. Okay, this both has a weight 8, and still there is no any circuit, no any cycle you can create between any two vertex. Okay, now after 8 whose next weight will be 10. Okay, next weight will be the 10. But if I include the 10, suppose मैं यहाँ पे 10 include करता हूँ, ठीक है, if I include a 10 here, if I connect this two vertex whose weight is a 10, so it will create one of the close walk. Okay, कौन सी close walk बनेगी? It will create one of the close walk by using these three vertex. Okay, so therefore I will skip this edge in my spanning tree because it will follow one of the cycle when we connect it. Okay, it is obviously the minimum weight comparison to the 17, 12, 11 and so on, but I cannot include this weight, okay, this edge to my graph because I already consider remaining two edges whose weight is minimum comparison to the 10. Clear? So therefore, I cannot include this edges in my graph. It will create one of the cycle when we include it. So skip this edge. Okay. So after 10, next is the 11. Okay. 11 का number आएगा. So connect this 11. Means connect this two vertex whose weight is 11. So I'll connect this now. Okay. And still my graph has no any cycle. All the vertex are connected and still there is no any cycle is created. Okay. And now next is a 12. So if I connect the 12, suppose आप 12 को consider करते हो, it will create one of the close walk between these two vertex. ठीक है? यहाँ पे close walk बनेगा by using this triangle. So we'll skip the 12. After 12, it is 13 is not that 14. So consider this 14 edge. So it will also create one of the close walk at that triangle. Okay. So skip it. After 14, that is 17, 13. Okay, 13 is also there. So if we connect it, also create one of the cycle. Okay, and then after 14, we checked it. 17. If we consider 17 here, it will also create one of the close loop. Okay, so this my result and graph. Okay, which include all the vertex as it is. Okay, include all the vertex as it is that, and it has a no any cycle, so we can say it is a spanning tree. Okay, because we have to derive from this graph, so it is a spanning tree. And now I consider such edge in this graph whose weight is minimum. मैंने ऐसी एज इंक्लूड की है ग्राफ में कि जिसका वेट मिनिमम हो. ठीक है? So therefore this tree, this spanning tree is now called minimum weighted spanning. ठीक है? You cannot find multiple possible answer. Okay, you cannot find multiple answer for any minimum weighted spanning. Clear? Sometime it will be unique. Clear? If there are parallel, means tie between two any edges. Okay, in that case you will get another graph. Tie between means there is a 8 two edge has a two same weight. There is a tie between these two edges. Okay, if there is a tie for such graph, then it is possible to get another solution. But sometimes it is always a unique answer. Okay, you will find always unique answer, unique graph for minimum weighted spanning tree. Clear? And now check the total weight. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 11. That is your total minimum weight. Clear? Total minimum weight. And what is the total? 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 11. It is equal to 44. Okay. So 44 is your minimum possible total weight. Okay. You just check, write your answer. The total minimum weight, it is equal to total minimum weight, that is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 11, and that is give 42. That you will get 42. Okay, so that is called minimum weighted spanning tree. Is it clear? Okay. Now, what is application of minimum weighted spanning tree? That is applicable to develop a railway network. Okay, that you can use this concept to develop a new railway network. Okay, between the cities, between the places, and so on. Clear? If you consider that is actual map. Okay, this graph is one of the map which located at 7 different cities. Okay, and these are the distance is measured here, okay, between this any two cities. Clear? Between any two cities. Here distance between these are given, okay, and so on. And now you have to develop such railway network in such a way that, clear, we have to connect all these places. Clear? That is one condition. आपको सभी 7 सिटी को कनेक्ट करना है. ऐसे कनेक्ट करना है कि you have to measure the minimum distance between any two places. Clear? Means if you consider one of the railway station is here, there is one person, you have to reach to that place. Okay. So which directions you have to follow? Which railway network you have to consider? Okay. To reach, consider the minimum distance. Clear? Minimum distance. Clear? So that is one of the, you can consider junction. Clear? Which all the 4 routes are operate. Clear? And then all these 4 directions we have to consider this minimum possible route. Okay? So that are applicable and that to find the directions to connect all the places. Clear? One time. Clear? It is not a suitable solutions. If I consider close walk, okay. Suppose मैं यहाँ पे close walk बनाता हूँ, that is given here. That is a close walk. If I consider if I connect it and make a close walk, then it is not a feasible solution. That is one railway station is here 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and if you consider close walk between the 3 cities, then it is not a suitable solution. Okay, then it is not a suitable solution. If you consider close walk between the 3 cities, 3 railway stations, close loop. Clear? So there is no any meaning of that one. Clear? Because from that railway stations we have direct line to reach to that place. Clear? So no any persons will reach to the place 2 and then after reach to this place. Clear? It is not a feasible solutions in that. Clear? So application of minimal weighted spanning tree are used in this network field. And one of the more graph is given here. The minimum spanning tree for given graph, that is definition is that, and now that is a graph of K4, and with the weight is mentioned. Okay, 2, 1, 5, 7. That is the weight. So as we know that circuit rank of K4, that is equal to 3. So which graph you will get? There are 4 vertex. Start with the minimum weight. So minimum weight is a 1. So first connect it. Then after 2. So connect the 2. And then after 3. So consider the 3. That is the answer. Clear? Minimum spanning tree you will get this. Okay? That is the answer of this 1, 2, and 3. Clear? Let's set some more example. Yeah. First, let us discuss it, and then we'll discuss this 2 or 3 graph again. That is one of the algorithm. Okay, you can also there is also one C programming is available of this Kruskal algorithm. Okay, to find the minimum weighted spanning tree. Okay, what is the use of Kruskal algorithm? We will also learn this algorithm in DS subject, I think. Clear? Data structure में आप यही पढ़ोगे फिर से. So what is the aim of the Kruskal algorithm? To find the minimum weighted spanning tree. Okay. In the C programming, you just enter the data of graph, which how many vertices are there, which are connected, and what is the weight of that graph. And at resultant, you will get answer of a minimum weighted spanning tree. Clear? The C programming is also there of this algorithm. So here one of the graph is that, and by using a Kruskal algorithm, we'll find a minimum weighted spanning tree. Okay, our aim is we'll check minimum weighted spanning tree. Here one of the graph is given. Okay, that is graph is given there. Okay, with include 9 vertices and number of edges. Okay, these are the weight. This distance between 2 any places. Clear? So how we can derive the answer? Okay, by using Kruskal algorithm without using program. Clear? Without using C program. So let's first derive manually, and then after you can use the C programming also to derive. Okay, so what is the first step in Kruskal algorithm? This type of questions ask for 6 to 8 mark in mid exam, other in final exam. Okay, find the minimum weighted spanning tree by using Kruskal algorithm. Okay, one of the graph will be there with number of vertex and number of edges, and you have to derive the minimum weighted spanning. Okay, but there are 3 steps we have. First step, you have to collect all the edges. ठीक है, जितने भी एज है उसको यहाँ पे लिस्ट बनाना है. Okay, make a list of all the edges. That is your step 1. Clear? And also mention the weight. Also mention all the weight to the edges. Clear? If notation is mentioned, use the notations. Otherwise, you can use the notation of vertex A, B, that is weight is 4, AD, the weight is 1, and so on. So make a list of all the edges. That is easy. जो भी ग्राफ में एज है वही सब आपको मेंशन करनी है. That is step 1. And then after in step 2, you have to sorting it. Clear? Sort as a arrange this all the edges sequence wise. Clear? If we compare this data with the previous one, in the previous one we have all the random edges are we have to make a list. Okay, we would consider as a list. But here we consider the sorting form. Means you have to start with the 1, then after 2, then after 3, then after 4, and so on. Okay, we start with the edge whose weight is a 1. Okay, we consider as a first priority. Then after 2, then after 3, then after 4, 5, 6, and 10. Clear? That is our sorting collection. Sorting of all the data. So here, that is a graph, and that is your second step. You have to sorting it. Clear? In the next step. And then after you have to use this connection such a way that you have to make the graph as a minimum weighted. Okay, so start with the minimum weight and include in your graph. Okay, start including in your graph. So first edge is a in between A and D whose weight is a 1. Okay, so I will connect the A and D in my graph. Clear? I'll consider edge between A and D whose weight is a 1. Next one है यहाँ पे C and F. Okay, so we can also connect it C to F because it not create any type of loop. So C to F will also include. After 1, 2 is that. Okay, so 2 means CF and CG. Okay, that is a CF, CE. That is weight is a 2, and EG whose weight is also 2. So I can include it here. Okay, still there is no any cycle between any two vertices. Okay, just focus on this blue line. Okay, there is no any cycle between any two vertices. Now next is a 3. So if I connect this 3 between E and G, F and G, if I connect it between E and G, this edge, if I include it here, it follow one of the closed walk. Okay, because I consider these 3 edges in my graph. If I consider this edges also, so it follow one of the closed walk. Okay, it create one of the closed walk. Therefore, it blink as a red color. So means you have to skip this edge. और उस edge को आपको skip करना, ठीक है, in the graph. And then after next is also 3 G and I. Okay, so I can connect it. Still there is no any cycle between any two vertex. Next is a 3 also, that is I and J. Okay, that is I and J between G and I, that is this one, and I and J in this one. Okay, still there is no any cycle you can create. Just focus on this blue line only. Okay, check this blue line only. There is no any cycle between any two vertex. Next weight is a 4. So I can connect it between A and B whose weight is a 4. Okay, that I can also include. Then after B and D, if I connect B and D, that is this one. B or D को आप connect करते हो, so it will create one of the closed walk by using this 3 vertex. So we'll skip these edges in my tree. Okay, so skip it, and then after again 4 is that between B and C. So that now connect, and that is your final graph. Okay, and that is minimum weighted spanning tree by using Kruskal algorithm. Okay, manually we would calculate, but you can also use the C programming. Okay, directly you can make the C programming there and enter the data of your graph, and you will directly get this resultant answer. Okay, we'll discuss some more about this part in the next lecture. Okay, right now we'll keep up to this, and we'll also discuss some more graph related to derive the minimum weighted spanning tree by using a Kruskal algorithm. Okay, in next lecture. So here we'll keep up to this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Is it clear to all the concept of Kruskal algorithm? Okay. We'll discuss some more graph in the next lecture.